Good morning, children. Children, welcome again to our online classes at RO level. This is N Ansari, TGT Maths, Kendriya Vidyalaya Vehicle Factory, Jabalpur, second shift. Children, today we are going to take the topic triangle part 2. In this topic, we shall perform some activities and we shall prove a theorem. Understand? In this chapter, children, we are going to learn some properties of triangle. Let us see. Some properties of triangle. In this topic, we are going to see some properties of a triangle. The first property is angles opposite to equal sides of a triangle are equal. For this, we shall perform some activities. Let us suppose I am drawing the first property, or we can say first theorem is angles opposite to equal sides of a triangle are equal. Understand? I am drawing two equal sides of a triangle like that. I have drawn 5 centimeter length of a line segment. Another line segment of the same length I am drawing 5 centimeter and complete the triangle by drawing another line. I have drawn these two sides are equal. Understand? Let us name this triangle as ABC. In this triangle ABC, we are going to verify that angles opposite to equal sides are equal. Here, two sides AB and AC are equal. Understand? And we are going to verify that the angles opposite to equal sides means which angle will be opposite to the side AB? The angle opposite to the side AB will be angle C, and angle opposite to the side AC will be angle B. So we shall verify that are the two angles B and C equal, because the first property is angles opposite to the equal sides are equal. So I am measuring the angle B. I am measuring the angle B. Angle B, it is of 60 degree. It is of 60 degree. Now let us measure the angle C by the protractor. I am measuring the angle C. It is again of 60 degree. So in this way we can verify by doing an activity that the angles opposite to equal sides are equal. So first property is that, what is the first property? The first property is angles opposite to equal sides are equal. Understand? Angles opposite to equal sides are equal. Let us do the same by drawing another triangle by drawing two another sides of equal length. So I am drawing another triangle here. First we draw two equal sides. I am drawing two equal sides. Yes, let us see. I am drawing two equal sides. Let us suppose I am drawing here, it is of 8 centimeter. I have drawn a line segment of length 8 centimeter. Another line I am going to draw of the same length as 8 centimeter. The two sides I have drawn, and complete the triangle by drawing the third one. I have drawn the third line. Understand? So in this way we are having a triangle PQR. Understand? I have already drawn these two lines are equal of 8 centimeter. This is of 8 centimeter. Let us verify by measuring the angle Q and angle R with the help of protractor. Are they equal or not? So I am measuring the angle with the help of protractor. So let us see, it is of 70 degree. It is of 70 degree. Now I am measuring the angle R. Is it 70 degree or not? So I am measuring it. Yes, you can see this is 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60 and 70. This is again 70. Understand? So by the activity, by drawing the isosceles triangle of different lengths, understand, different pairs, as two sides are equal, we have verified that the angles opposite to equal sides are equal. 8 centimeter, the opposite angle R is 70 degree, and AR is again 8 centimeter. Its opposite angle will be angle Q, and it is of 70 degree. So in this way we have verified that angles opposite to equal sides are equal. Understand? Now children, I am going to prove it as a theorem. Understand? Children, we have just performed by an activity that angles opposite to equal sides of an isosceles triangle are equal. Now we shall prove this as a theorem. Understand? So we are going to prove it. Understand? So first of all, as the theorem is saying, angles opposite to equal sides of an isosceles triangle are equal. So I am drawing an isosceles triangle. An isosceles triangle I am going to draw. Here I am going to draw an isosceles triangle of two equal sides as 6 centimeter. I have drawn two equal sides of length 6 centimeter. Now complete the triangle by drawing the third line. So this is an isosceles triangle. Of triangle, name this triangle as ABC. By an activity we have already shown it that the angles opposite to equal sides of triangle are equal, but this we are going to here prove by theorem, as a theorem. So let us start. I am going to prove it. I am going to prove the theorem. Understand? Yes. First of all, we shall write given. I am going to write as given. Given. What is given? Angles opposite to equal sides of an isosceles triangle. It is given that the two sides AB and AC are equal. AB equal to AC. Understand? Now, after given, to prove, we shall write to prove. There is a way to write to prove a theorem. First we write given, then to prove. What we have to prove? Angles opposite to equal sides. Angle opposite to equal sides. AB and AC are equal. Their opposite angles are angle B and angle C. They are also called base angles of a triangle. So we have to prove that angle B is equal to angle C. We have to prove angle B equal to angle C. Understand? Now, before starting the proof, we shall construction. We shall do a construction. What type of construction we need? We have to draw angle bisector of angle A. I am going to draw the angle bisector of angle A. This is angle A. I am going to draw its bisector. I am going to draw its bisector. In this way, I have drawn its bisector. If I have drawn its bisector, so definitely we can say that angle and name it as point D. Name it as point D. I have drawn this angle bisector of angle A. Construct angle bisector of angle A, which meets the side BC at point D. Understand? So I have drawn the angle bisector. If this is angle bisector, so we can say that angle BAD means this angle will be equal to this angle, because we have drawn bisector. I have drawn bisector. Understand? Angle BAD will be equal to angle CAD. Will be equal to angle CAD. Angle CAD. I have drawn. By construction, we are having angle BAD equal to angle CAD. After this, we shall write proof. I am going to write proof. Understand? To prove, we shall take the two triangles, triangle ABD, this triangle, and triangle ACD, this triangle. Understand? These two triangles we are going to take. We shall write in triangle BAD and triangle CAD. In these two triangles, we are going to write something about these two triangles. What we are going to write? First of all, we have already given that AB equal to AC. Understand? So this is the symbol for equal. AB equal to AC. So in these two triangles, what we are having? We are having AB equal to AC. It was given. Understand? And what other thing equal? We have to prove angles opposite to equal sides of an isosceles triangle are equal, like this. This is our statement. Understand? Now, so AB equal to AC I have written. One more thing we can write. angle BAD equal to angle CAD by construction. Understand? So AB equal to AC, angle BAD equal to angle CAD by construction. Another side we are having equal. You can see here AD equal to AD. So we shall write AD equal to AD. Common side. So we are having three pairs. What is this? What is that? AB equal to AC, side equal, angle BAD equal to angle CAD, means this angle equal to this angle, and AD equal to AD. So you can apply the criterion SAS. By SAS criterion, what you can write? By SAS criterion, triangle BAD is congruent to triangle CAD. These two triangles are congruent. If they are congruent, if these two triangles are congruent, so by CPCT we shall write the other pairs are equal. So what we can write? We can write it as angle ABD. Angle ABD means this angle will be equal to angle ACD. Angle ABD will be equal to angle ACD. Angle ABD equal to angle ACD. In short, it is to be written as angle B equal to angle C by CPCT. CPCT means corresponding parts of congruent triangle, and which we had to prove. और यही हमें प्रूव करना था. ये देखिए, टू प्रूव में हमने क्या लिखा है? एंगल B इक्वल टू एंगल C. सो we have proved it as a theorem as angle B equal to angle C. Understand? But by activity we have already verified these things by two activities. Understand? And as a theorem we have proved it. Angles opposite to equal sides of an isosceles triangle are equal. Understand, children? I hope you understood all these things. Thank you. Have a nice day.